Good morning, all. Let's see the next example based on the Cauchy integral formula. So, the next example is evaluate integration over the complex number z, 3z square plus z upon z square minus 1 dz over the curve. Curve is given as the circle equation. So, let us check this equation is of circle equation or not. Mod z minus 1 equal to 1. So, first step is draw this graph or draw this equation on the xy axis. So put z equal to x plus iy, x plus iy, x plus iy minus 1. So x minus 1 is real part, y is imaginary part. So its modulus value, this complex number mod is square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So here real part is x minus 1, imaginary part is y. So x minus 1 square plus y square. This is your general formula. If complex number is x plus iy, then its mod value is square root of real part square plus y imaginary part square. Real part is x, imaginary part is y. Here real part is x minus 1, imaginary part is y. So square root of x minus 1 square plus y square. Take square on both sides, we get x minus 1 square plus y square equal to 1. Now again there is a general equation. If z minus a equal to r square, then center is a0 and radius is r. So this is your general equation in complex form. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then the center is minus g minus f and radius is r. So there are some types of general equation of the circles. So the given equation fit in the third general equation of circle, that is, if equation is of the type x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square, then center is hk and radius is r. So here x minus 1 square plus y square means y minus 0 square. You can convert this y square as y minus 0 because we have to compare this equation with this hk formula. Y minus 0 square equal to 1. So h means 1, k means 0 and r square means 1, that is r is 1. So the center is hk, that is 1 0, 1 0 and radius is 1. So center is 1 0, this is 1 0 point and radius is again 1. So this is 1 radius. So this is the circle lies on the left side of the y-axis. Now this is your first step, draw that curve. Then factorize the denominator. So z square minus 1 take the solve that denominator equal denominator by taking denominator equal to 0 and find the values of z. So z square minus 1 equal to 0 implies z square equal to 1, that is z equal to plus minus 1. So z equal to 1, that is the point is, compare this 1 with x plus iy, so the point is 1 0, and z equal to minus 1, that is point is minus 1 0. So 1 0 point, so that is your center. Hence 1 0 point lies inside the circle because that is your center of that circle. Then minus 1 0 point here. This is your minus 1 0 point which lies outside the circle. So this case is mixed point case. That is some point, one point lies inside the circle, one point lies outside the circle. So here which point lies inside the circle? 1 0. 1 0 means z equal to 1. So from that factor is z minus 1. So keep that factor only, z minus 1, in denominator. And the point minus 1 lies outside the circle. So z equal to minus 1 means the factor is z plus 1. Z equal to 1 means that from that we can get the factor as, take this 1 on left side, that is z minus 1 is your factor. Take this minus 1 on left side, that is z plus 1 is your factor. So z plus 1 is the factor. That point z equal to minus 1 lies outside. So from that we get the factor z plus 1. So take that z plus 1 factor on numerator or keep that factor z plus 1 because z equal to minus 1 is point lies outside the circle, and from z minus 1 factor z equal to 1 point lies inside the circle. So keep that factor denominator. So that is your method, that is in mixed point, some points outside the circle, some point inside the circle or curve. In that, which point lies inside the curve, that from that point take the factor and keep that factor in denominator, and which point lies outside the curve, from that point make the factor and take that factor in numerator. Inside point lies inside, that factor take in denominator, and the point lies outside, take that factor in numerator. So that is your method. Now compare this final integration with left side of Cauchy integral formula, that is integration of fz upon z minus z dz. So here fz value is numerator, fz equal to 3z square plus z upon z plus 1, and z minus a, z minus 1, so a value is 1, and its answer is, by using Cauchy integral formula, answer is 2 pi I fa. So 2 pi I fa means put z equal to a in fz function. So z equal to a value is 1, so put z equal to 1 in this function, in this fz value. So 3 1 square plus z, 3 1 square plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 pi I into 2, that is 4 pi. Next is using Cauchy integral formula, evaluate integration. Integration is given, and in the denominator the factors are repeated 4 times, because z plus 1 power is given as 4. So the factors are repeated, that is this example is of Cauchy integral formula type. Evaluate this integration over the circle, curve is given as the circle equation is mod z equal to 2, and from that put z equal to here x plus iy. So this is your standard circle, center is 0 0 and radius is 2. Here the factor, original factor is z plus 1, and this factor is repeated 4 times. Hence this example is of another type, that is the repeated factors are given in the denominator. So the factor is z plus 1, take this factor equal to 0, so z equal to minus 1 and the point is minus 1 0. So center 0 0 and radius 2 is your this circle. This is your first step. Then next is factorize the denominator, that is factor is z plus 1, only one factor is given, z plus 1. Take this as equal to 0 and find the value of z, that is roots z equal to minus 1, that is the point is minus 1 0, and check whether this point lies inside or outside the circle. So minus 1 0 point is here. So this point lies inside the circle. So here, as the factors are repeated, we have to use not this formula, we have to use the formula in the repetition of factors. So here z upon z minus a raised to n plus 1, that is the power is given, some power is given. Here the power is absent, that is only one single bracket is given, single factor is given, z minus a. Then use this formula, and for repetition of factors use this formula, that is 2 pi I f raised to n a upon n factorial. So here use this formula, which is called as for non-repeated factors Cauchy integral formula is there, and for repeated factors Cauchy extension formula, that is called, that is this formula is Cauchy extension formula, because the factors are repeated n plus 1 times. So this is your formula. So compare as the only one point is present, that is z equal to -1, and that only single point lies inside the circle. So compare this given integration directly with this left side. So we get fz equal to e raised to 2z and z minus a value is -1 and n plus 1 equal to 4. So we get by comparing a equal to -1, fz is to 2z and n plus 1 equal to 4, that is n equal to 3. So put these all values in this right side. So 2 pi I, n value is 3. So f cube a upon 3 factorial. F cube a upon 3 factorial. F cube a means a value is -1. So f cube -1 upon 3 factorial. Simplify this 3 factorial, that is 6. And f cube -1 means from fz find triple derivative. First find f dash z, then f double dash z, then f triple dash z, and in f triple dash z put z equal to a value, that is -1 value. We get f cube a, that is f cube -1. So this is your fz. Then f dash z is use e raised to bracket formula. E raised to bracket derivative is e raised to bracket into derivative of bracket. So e raised to 2z derivative is e raised to 2z into derivative of 2z. Derivative of 2z is 2 because kx derivative is k, 2z derivative is 2. Then again second derivative is, write this 2 as it is. Again take the derivative of e raised to 2z. So e raised to b derivative is e raised to b, that is e raised to 2z, into 2z derivative is 2, that is 2 into 2, 4, e raised to 2z. Triple dash is, write 4 as it is. Again derivative of e raised to 2z is by using e raised to bracket formula, e raised to bracket into derivative of bracket, e raised to 2z into derivative of 2z, that is 2. So 8 into e raised to 2z. So this is your f triple dash z. Then put z equal to a, that is z equal to -1 in this f triple dash z. So put z equal to -1. So 8 e raised to 2 into -1, that is e raised to -2. So 2 pi I upon 6 into f cube -1 is 8 e raised to -2. Simplifying we get this 8 pi I upon 3 e square. So this example is of Cauchy extension formula because factor is z plus 1, which is a repeated factor, that is repeated 4 times. Then use Cauchy integral formula. Next example you can take as an assignment. Evaluate this integration. The curve is given as the circle equation. So this is not the extension. Cauchy extension formula is not used here because this is the z minus 3 factor which is non-repeated. So on general Cauchy integral formula is used. So take this as a assignment. Again same example is this. So take again this as a assignment. Using next example is using Cauchy integral formula to evaluate this integration over the curve. Curve is given as the circle equation and the only one factor is given, that is non-repeated factor is given. Use Cauchy integral formula. Take this example as a assignment. Thank you.